myself VC Pathak, class 12 chemistry, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Today's topic elimination reaction. Please like, share and subscribe. When haloalkanes reacts with alcoholic KOH to form alkenes, this is called elimination reactions. When haloalkane reacts with alcoholic KOH, it forms alkene, and when haloalkane reacts with aqueous KOH, it forms alcohols. This is very important point. When CH3 CH2Cl reacts with alcoholic KOH, it gives CH2 double bond CH2 plus KCl plus H2O. This is ethene. Formation of ethene takes place. Formation of alkene takes place. This is called elimination reactions. This is potassium hydroxide. This is chloroethane. This is CH3 CH2 Cl. When reacts with alcoholic KOH, it forms alkene. Why formation of alkenes? How formation of alkenes can take place? See here. Halogen is attached with first carbon, so that's why it is called alpha carbon. Second carbon is attached with alpha carbon, that's why it is called beta carbon. Removal of hydrogen from beta carbon to form water plus H2O, and K plus reacts with Cl minus to form KCl. Here CH2 and only CH2. Carbon of valence is satisfied by double bond, so it will become CH2 double bond CH2, means ethene. Hydrogen atom removed from beta carbon, that's why it is called beta elimination reaction. Next, reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. When alkyl halide reacts with magnesium in presence of dry ether, it forms RMgX. That is called alkyl magnesium halide, also known as Grignard reagent. Next, Wurtz reaction. Before starting Wurtz reaction, I would like to give one more example. Suppose C2H5 Br reacts with magnesium in presence of dry ether gives C2H5 MgBr. This is called ethyl magnesium bromide. Now Wood's reaction. Very important name reaction for your board examination. When alkyl halide reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether, most important for board, gives 2NaX and form capital R and capital R means alkane. In Wood's reaction, when alkyl halide reacts with sodium in presence of diether to form alkanes plus 2NaX. This is called Wood's reaction. This is general equation. Now see, when C2H5Br reacts with sodium in presence of dry ether gives C4H10 C2 C4 H5 H10, it will be C4H10, name butane, normal butane plus 2NaBr. In Wood's reaction, formation of normal butane can take place. When ethyl bromide reacts with sodium, formation of normal butane can take place. In your board examination, question can be asked by name reaction or in the form of what happens when. Like, what happens when bromoethane reacts with sodium in presence of diether? This type of question will be also in your board examination. So formation of butane can take place. Now preparation of haloarenes. First, by halogenation of benzene. When benzene reacts with H2 in presence of FeX3 in dark gives halobenzene plus HX, where X are bromine or chlorine, either bromine or chlorine. Second, when benzene reacts with iodine in presence of hydroiodic acid to give iodobenzene. By this method, preparation we can prepare haloarenes. Second, from diazonium salts. When aniline, this is aniline, reacts with sodium nitrite plus HCl or HNO2, nitrous acid, because when NO2 reacts with HCl to form HNO2, that is nitrous acid. to form benzene diazonium chloride. Now next, when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with Cu2Cl2 or slash HCl gives chlorobenzene plus N2. This is called St. Meyer's reaction. Second, when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with Cu2Br2 in HBr gives bromobenzene plus N2. This is also called St. Meyer reaction. Now next, when benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride reacts with Ki and heat gives iodobenzene. Next, when benzene diazonium chloride reacts with NaFbF4 to form chlorobenzene. Thank you.